14 to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 8 minutes. Foul number 10, first personal foul, first team foul, 2 free throws. Ten to shoot. First foul?
16.
Next.
16 gagi.
Foul number 16.
First. Second.
First personal foul, second team foul. Black ball. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Bingo, Tufa.
Sa kapawis mo.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul number 7. First personal foul, second team foul.
First, second.
6 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Sumulo, pag nilaban natin si Relo, seryosohin na natin. Dito na.
Six minutes remaining. Fourteen to shoot. 14 to shoot. Five minutes and 30 seconds. Ready for mandatory substitution. Time out. Catch breaks. Mandatory sub na tayo, mandatory sub. Fresh 5, fresh 5. Back to the ball game. Score is 4-0. Favor of 4.
Hindi kakampi niyo play. Kakampi na. Oriental mo. Central.
40 to shoot.
Ngayon liga. Mukha niya.
Basma, 2 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Boss mark, 2 points. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 3 minutes remaining, 3 minutes. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Same ball. Same ball. Ay, okay. Red ball, red ball. Red ball, red ball, red ball.
Lalo ko same goal eh.
Last 2 minutes. One minute 45 seconds.
Oh!
14 to shoot. 1 minute 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Aya!
1 minute remaining. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. First foul. Foul number 6.
First.
First personal foul, 13 foul. 28 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Time remaining 1.7 seconds. 1.7 seconds. 1.7 seconds. And the first quarter score 10-all.
Yung number one? Sino number one? Hello.
Back to the ball game. Jeffrey Orieles. Welcome to the club. Red ball tayo, red ball.
Talaga. Bagong baby.
Ball team to shoot.
Rebound pre ah.
Foul number 22. Ten to shoot.
Okay lang, Jeff.
4 seconds to shoot.
Na mababa yun eh.
4 seconds to shoot.
31 na ako eh.
4 seconds to shoot.
Si Gerald ang nakalaro. Gerald.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Kick ball.
Kamusta tuhod mo?
9 minutes remaining.
Stretching, boss ma'am. Stretching. Yun ang CNG.
Or 16.
Hindi pa alam.
Hindi makalakad.
Hindi makalakad.
Pare mo
Yung second team na. Shooting na ako.
hindi makalakad.
Hindi, naka-crouch.
14 to shoot. Foul number 10.
Last Toby nung play.
Ilan na yung dalawa?
Second.
Ganda pa naman ang liga ni NT, no?
Second personal foul, 13 foul.
Easy.
Ba't ano ba yun? Nagpupuyat ba yun?
Hindi ko alam eh. Tangina ang hina ng legs siguro nun.
Sinagpapay na talaga yun.
Oo. Isa lang pumasok rin yun. Hindi, may na-NTL space na siya pre. Pumunta after 5 days na ulit. Doon na rin rin siya. Oo. 11.
11 to shoot. 11 to shoot.
Dito 1-2 yan, 1-2. Puto kayo eh.
Gagi, dalawa na panalo yung play. Isa pa lang.
Foul number 10.
Third team.
Third personal foul, 14 foul. Time remaining 7 minutes 24 seconds. 7 minutes and 24. Very well.
Kuha tayo po ng map para may kandalan. Pangat yung message, para tayo. Ibang message.
Traveling.
Ayos lang pre.
7 minutes remaining.
Kasi naman pag-race.
Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Traveling. Time remaining 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Daming tama sa tuhod. Pero ano, partial ka naman eh. Pero
Dapat operahan yun.
depende pre. Depende. Pwedeng ano, pwedeng hindi yung ano. Basta ano.
Time measure. Kailangan lagyan ng mask.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 2 seconds. 6 minutes.
Isa doon.
Tama kayo?
Five minutes and 35 seconds. Time out. Apollo. Time out. Score 20-12. Time remaining 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Mandatory sub na tayo. Mandatory sub. First fight. Fresh fight.
Oo nga, kaya rin sabi ko yun dun eh.
Yun, mas magkumalaw to bro. Yung kanila, okay.
Black ball.
Okay na doon yung jersey mo. Ganda naman pumunta niya. Dalawa.
14 to shoot. Five minutes remaining. Four minutes 30 seconds.
Second quarter pa lang.
Oo.
14 to shoot. Foul number 3.
Ano na yun?
First personal foul, first team foul. Bosma, 2 points. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. Time out. Black team. Time out. Time out.
Silang time out bro.
Oo.
Time remaining 3 minutes, 26 seconds. Back to the ball game. Red ball. Three minutes. Fourteen to shoot. Fourteen to shoot. Fourteen to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute 35 seconds.
Nice one! Oh, I see. Versa!
Foul number 5. First personal foul, third team foul.
Dapat may iwanan.
Pwede lang pakilaman na lang namin.
Saan ba nakakapit?
Ako, antena eh. Antena.
Ay, oo, tama.
Ako, Jake. One.
1 minute remaining.
Antena eh.
50 seconds.
Nice one!
40 seconds.
Oh, nice!
35 seconds. Seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul number 20. Fourth personal foul. 6.6 seconds remaining. 6.6 seconds. Basket is good.
What time mo? Utang ilan? Saan ako kuha? Sa likod eh. Nung kumiti ako, nakaupo ako rin.
Wala naman kayo sinabi.
Mamaya ako dati.
Doon o, meron pa doon.
Mamaya.
Tara na.
Back to the ball game. Start of third quarter.
Ba't mo na pre sa kapila?
Rockload.
Director.
Bola. Thank you. Tabi na lang po.
Bukol.
Working to shoot. Nine minutes. 10 to shoot.
Sub.
Substitution. Fourteen to shoot. Kickball. 14 to shoot. Foul number 4. First team foul.
Second look. Second personal.
Pag-shoot.
Daw look.
Substitution. Time remaining 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Jeff.
Wag.
7 minutes remaining. Substitution. 18 to shoot. 18 to shoot. Six minutes remaining.
Sino ang shoot mo? Number 4.
Substitution. Time remaining 5 minutes. Time remaining 5 minutes. Foul number 10.
First personal.
First personal foul 17. Foul. 14 to shoot. Same ball. 11 to shoot. Four minutes remaining, 4 minutes. Foul number 4. Number 4, third personal foul, 13 foul. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Black ball. Time remaining 3 minutes. Fourteen to shoot. A foul. Time remaining 2 minutes 26 seconds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Back to the ball again. Back to the ball again.
Manta-manta pa. Hindi na ako ma-upload.
14 to 6. Last 2 minutes. Offensive foul, number 1.
First personal. Ilan? First personal. Ako may foul na yung kanina. Wala pa.
1 minute and 42 seconds. One minute 20. One minute remaining. $54 seconds remaining. 54 seconds. Substitution. 54 seconds remaining. $45 seconds. 14 seconds.
Pakinggan.
30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. At the end of third quarter, score 53-37 in favor of Calcifics.
Lagi sa rin.
Back to the ball game. Red ball.
Luigi, sira yung oras na pa. Pero yung minutes na. Yung minutes. May nakasuot 10. Kasi, tama. Still number 2.
9 minutes.
Do. Lapat sila. Sayang. Lapat sila. Number
8 minutes and 30 seconds.
22. Sub.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Eight minutes remaining, 8 minutes.
Sub ba sila, bro? 7 minutes.
10 to shoot. 5 short. Backward violation. Substitution. Substitution.
Stop.
14 to shoot. Substitution. 14 to shoot. Foul number
19.
19.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Foul number 23.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Masuk pa yan.
Grabe yun. Grabe ham time.
5 minutes remaining. Foul number 23. Substitution.
Second team foul. Second foul.
Second personal foul, second foul. 14-6.
Benson.
Offensive foul.
Second. Second personal.
Four minutes and 20 seconds. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
22, third.
Number 22, third personal foul, second foul.
Second na ba?
Second team foul.
Second lang.
4 minutes, 15 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 4 minutes remaining. Fourteen to shoot. Foul five.
Second.
Second personal foul, 13 foul, 14 to shoot.
Top. Kaya mag-ano lang. Mga tira-tira man lang.
3 minutes remaining. Substitution. Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes 48 seconds. 2 minutes 48 seconds. Five to shoot. Last 2 minutes. One minute and 30 seconds. One minute 20 seconds. One minute remaining. Seconds. 30 seconds.
Pinasok
25 seconds.
Pinasok 20.
30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the ball. Final score is 72-44.
Sino?
Number 1.
Number 1, no?
Player of the game, number 1, Chinglo. 18 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists. 2 steal, 1 block.
1 pound. 1 pound.
Group picture sa gitna, group picture please.
Gray ito, di ba? Blue Cars. Sino yung violet?
Bago walang bagay nito.
Meron.
Bahala. Okay ba naman dito?
Sila yung gray, di ba?
Gray nga yung Philippines. Blue yung
Wala bang violet?
meron. Ang laro yung balik niya. Tradores.
Picture, black tape picture. Pwede na mag-warm up yung mga second grade, pwede mag-warm up. Please clear out the benches for the second grade. Thank you.
Bigay mo sa akin. Kanila yun?
Kukunin naman yung